Young stoners are drinkers. No worry about car blinkers. Just take the Sane train. Overall last pain and a lot of gain. Take the Sane train. Overall last pain, a lot of gain. The environment, the economy, no traffic, and can even play on your device. Elderly people, before you say goodbye at the steeple, want one more crack at life. The Sane train is worth the hype, worth the hype, worth the hype. Take the Sane train. Overall last pain and a lot of gain. The environment, the economy, no traffic, and can read the newspaper. Come on everyone, let's get this done. 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 Oh, 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 oh. Take the Sane train. Overall last pain, a lot of gain. Environment, the economy, no traffic. You can't even read a novel. Young stoners are drinkers.